What is up, my friends? Ryan the Jenks here. I want to talk to you about something today, and that is the idea that your offer is not your product. So what does that mean? Let's say that you sell a pull-up bar that you can put inside your house and hang it from a door frame, right? That's your product. That's the thing that you sell that generates revenue, cash for your business. But that should not be your offer. You don't go out there and write ads for Facebook or Google or local newspaper or anything like that, and you say, "Hey, I sell a pull-up bar," because that's not interesting. That's not competitive. You're going to be up against a million other companies that are selling an almost identical pull-up bar product on their websites or on Amazon. Imagine you go to Amazon, you search for a pull-up bar. You're going to find 300 different pull-up bars, all priced at $45, $50, and it's a loser's game to be out there competing on price with everybody else selling a commoditized product. So what you need to do is customize your offer. Your offer is different than the product. Think about this. If you want to differentiate your pull-up bar from other pull-up bars out there, maybe the actual product itself is not that different. But what can you do to differentiate it? So you're going to make a custom offer. You might say, look, this pull-up bar, it actually costs $65. But when you order it, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the pull-up bar itself, obviously. You're going to get extra padding to cushion against your walls to protect from damage. You're going to get a booklet that includes 75 exercises you can do with a pull-up bar. You're going to do an extra booklet that talks about other body weight exercises you can do in your house, not related to the pull-up bar. We're going to throw in a 15-day sample of protein powder, and we're going to give you access to our private YouTube playlist that explains how to do all these different exercises, and another playlist with music to listen to while you're working out. And we're going to invite you into our private Facebook group for people that are using this product and want to discuss it, right? So you just packed a whole lot of other stuff in with your pull-up bar, and it's no longer just a pull-up bar. It's a pull-up bar plus this whole other ecosystem of things that you get with the pull-up bar, right? And you can try to put a price on each one of those and say, if you were to buy all of these separately, it easily costs you $100 or more. But when you order it with this package, it's only $65. And that right there makes it feel like, okay, I'm getting way more value out of this than just the pull-up bar that I could order from some other company, and it's going to show up and I'm never going to use it or get good value out of it. So think about that as you're putting your products out there. Your offer is not the same thing as your product, and try to build up the offer related to your product in a compelling way. And your offer can change, right? It can change for Christmas. It might change for Valentine's. It might change for someone who wants to work out with their girlfriend or boyfriend. It might change, based on things going on in the world. You can have a million different offers out there involving the same product, and you can test all those against each other and see what resonates the most with people. So there you go, 5-minute marketing tip. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Hopefully that gives you some ideas that you can develop and evolve and see what other options you can put together for your customers. If you want other marketing tip ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what questions you have and what you'd like to hear me talk about. And I hope that's helpful. Give it a like. If you're on YouTube, give this a like, and subscribe, ding the little bell so that you get a heads up when I post other videos. And other than that, share this with someone that you think could use it, or give a comment down below. Tell me if this was helpful and if there's anything I can clarify. Till next time, thanks.